Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create these Beetlejuice inspired nails. So I have a fresh set of Gel X nails on, and the first color I'm going to use is Madam Glam's Witch's Night. This is a deep purple shade. I use this all the time for Halloween nails. It is the perfect purple for Halloween. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Mojito. This is a lime green, borderline neon green. I'm going to paint this on my middle finger. Next, going in with Madam Glam's Perfect White, I'm going to go ahead and paint the pinky and the pointer finger. I'm going to do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Sizzling Lime. This is like a neon lime glitter. I'm going to go ahead and paint this over my middle finger. The Mojito color was kind of on the sheer side, so this is going to add a little bit more opacity as well as the glitter. Then I'm going to take Light Elegance's Witch's Brew. This was limited edition a couple years back, and this is a purple glitter with fuchsia glitters mixed in it. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on the two purple nails. Next, I'm going to take these striper gel brushes. These are from Jelly Nails. I'll be using the black and the white. I'll start off with the black, and on the white nails, I'm going to create black stripes going down the nail. Now we're going to go in and create a 3D sandworm on the ring finger. So I'll be using the Madam Glam Frosting 3D gel for this. And I've never used this before. I feel like it wasn't quite the right gel to do this with. I feel like I would have needed something a little bit stiffer, but I made it do. So on the ring finger, I'm going to create stripes and then kind of create the tail in a 3D fashion. Once the 3D gel is cured, I'm going to go in with the white striping gel and I'm going to paint over it. I do feel like this striping gel is a little bit on the runny side, so I do flash cure in between each line that I'm doing, and I do try to clean it up as well. I do a second coat of the white on the spots that are needed. And then once the 2 coats of white are cured, I go back in with the black striping brush and I go ahead and create those black stripes on the sandworm. Next, I'm going to take this neon powder. I'm going to take the neon green one, and I'm going to take a brush and just dip it in the powder, and I'm going to dab dots of this neon green on top of the black and white striped nails. This is just going to add that Beetlejuice effect to it, kind of grunge it out a little bit, so that way it's not such a stark white either. Once I have dabbed that onto the gel, I do just kind of gently buff it out, get all the extra powder off, and then it's time for a top coat. I'll be going in with the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how the nails came out. I have done Beetlejuice nails before. I actually did a character of Beetlejuice, so I'll be sure to link that video down below if you want to check it out. I saw a lot of people doing the 3D sandworm, and I had to give it my shot. I think it came out pretty cool. Again, I do think I used the wrong type of 3D gel for the sandworm, so it didn't come out quite as I wanted, but it definitely does the trick. It gives you that Beetlejuice vibe. And with the new movie coming out, I had to jump on the bandwagon and get my Beetlejuice nails on. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!